मानसलोका
Namaste, Namashivaya. As we discussed, what happens before we take an action? I'm sure we all would have thought about it deeply, and I believe most of you would have found the answer. The answer is making a decision making. Before we can act, before we do something, before we go somewhere, before we plan, what happens inside us is a decision. But unfortunately, we are rarely aware that we are making a decision. Only when the consequences of the decision affects us adversely, then we start thinking, oh no, why did I take this decision? How did I make this decision? See, because we lack awareness. Awareness basically means not putting our full attention into it, right? See, sometimes I've met several people in my life, they will push us to make a decision by saying, oh, you should not miss this opportunity. This is an opportunity of a lifetime. You know, I don't know what you will do. You just prepare the money immediately. We'll just go and do this, we'll do that. We will become very breathless listening to them, right? But what happens is we don't get a gap to think through. So the other factor is we would have trusted that person. So what will happen at that time? We will say okay and we go along. Later we will find out the decision that we made is not a very good one. And then we will regret. See, we have discussed causes of suffering. Now, actually, we are looking at how that suffering happens inside us. This will actually cause suffering because we regret the decision that we have made because it was done in a hurry. Now, let me tell you this one rule of thumb. However lucrative an opportunity seems, if it does not resonate within you, you don't feel good about it. Something inside you says, why don't we just wait this out? Let's just hold on. When you feel this way, this is your cosmic energy guiding you, your gut is instincts, right? When you feel this way, kindly listen to it, don't make a decision, right? It will save you a lot of trouble. Trust me. Now, decision making it's a very important part of our lives. But we think that decisions are important only for important occasions such as buying a house, shifting careers, getting married. No. Actually, decision making is applicable in all situations, even very mundane things such as deciding what to cook today. That's also a decision. When we practice with little situations, only then it will become practice to us. Decision making becomes practice. We will not make a decision without our total awareness. Now, the way to make a decision, right? Sit down calmly, list down. Say, for example, we want to shift career, we want to get a new job. List down the factors why we want to leave our current job, and then list down all the reasons why we want that new job. Then compare the two. So, one of the factors would be I have no growth here, I have nothing further to learn here. Therefore, I have to move to a separate place, to a new place, so that I can grow and I can learn. This is a very valid reason to want to go to a new job. So, think through and then decide okay, this is a valid reason, therefore, I will apply for a new job. So, When we are making decisions, it should be done in a very calm manner, very relaxed manner, under no one's pressure, especially our own. Oh, if I don't make a decision now, everything will go wrong. No, nothing will go wrong. We always have time. When we want to make an important decision, one of the best ways is to calm ourselves. Sit down in a uncluttered place. Slowly just watch the breathing. This is a wonderful, wonderful technique. You can use it for other situations also. When you're feeling agitated, you're feeling angry, you're feeling restless, you can use this as well. Just sit down, watch your breathing, nothing else. Thoughts can come and go, there can be noises. Let's not worry about any of those. Just watch the breath going in, the breath coming out. Breath going in, breath coming out. After some time, naturally, our body will align with the breathing system. We will become calm. When we are relaxed, we are calm, then we take the decision. Not before that. I hope you understand this very clearly. It is not a light matter. I have seen a lot of people making spur of the moment decisions and then later regretting, and as a result of the regret, feeling unhappiness. So, we can avoid this just by paying more attention to the way we think and to the decisions that we are making. So, happy decision making, practice decision making. God's grace and blessings is always here guiding us. Thank you.
मानसलोका